What? Good morning, everyone. My name is Volk. Today I will talk about story. Let's go. So the story name is Mr. Monkey gets a surprise.
Yay!
Mr. Monkey goes to Mr. Panda to shop every day. Today, Mr. Panda is selling banana juice and lemon juice with honey. Picture 1. Mr. Monkey gives a cheer. I love banana juice, he says. Picture 2. Mr. Monkey drinks lots of banana juice. Oh no! Mr. Monkey has hiccups. I don't love hiccup, he says. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Picture 3. The gorilla and his son rode at Mr. Monkey. They give him a surprise. Picture 4. The surprise stopped Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey's hiccup. Thank you, says Mr. Monkey. I love surprises. What about you? Okay. Do you like story? Do you like surprises? Now let's review. Love. Lemon. Sun. Honey น้ำผึ้ง Surprise. Pencil. ดินสอ Monkey. Chicken. Umbrella. ร่ม Banana. Gorilla. Panda. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. ขอบคุณครับ